Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Anissa Mutiara Nantirahap from Group 4. So now I'd like to identify and describe about the case that my group has identified. So first, 4 English sounds students find difficult. Based on the case, the 4 sounds that students find difficult are the, as in think and thank. The second is the, as in these and that. The third is v, as in very. And the last is z, as in dogs. Second, how each sound is produced. First, the th, it's voiceless. The place of articulation is dental. The manner of articulation is fricative. Air passes through a narrow gap between the tongue and the upper teeth without vibration of the vocal cords. Second, the is voiced and place of articulation is dental. Manner of articulation is fricative. The sound is produced in the same way as the, but with vibration of the vocal cords. The third is V. The voicing is voiced. The place of articulation is labiodental. The manner of articulation is fricative. The lower lip touches the upper teeth, allowing air to pass with friction while the vocal cords vibrate. The last or the fourth is z. Voicing is voiced. Place of articulation is alveolar. The manner of articulation is fricative. The tongue is placed close to the alveolar ridge, and air passes through with friction while the vocal cords vibrate. The third, why these sounds are difficult for Indonesian learner. So the and these sounds do not exist in the Indonesian sound system. So students often replace them with T or D because these sounds are more familiar for the Indonesian students. And then producing the and the requires placing the tongue between the teeth, which is unusual for Indonesian speakers. For the V, in Indonesian, this sound is often replaced with F or F. Many Indonesian learners are not accustomed to distinguishing between voiced and voiceless fricative. And the last, two pronunciation exercises that students can do. First is mirror practice or tongue position. Students practice pronouncing the and the in front of mirror. They should make sure the tip of the tongue slightly protrudes and touches the upper teeth. Second, minimal pair drills or voicing control. Practice word pairs such as fan, van, sip and zip, think and this. Students focus on vocal cord vibration and airflow control. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.